Fourth period. I hope you guys had a great snow day yesterday. I did. Hopefully we'll get a lot more this year. First off, why did the boy bring a snowball to school? Because he thought it was snow and tell. I'll let you guys laugh for a little bit. All right. So I'm not here today. You're reading the agenda. Please read over everything carefully. Make sure you know that things will be graded. First off, you're going to get your vocabulary, and I know some of you have already started on it. You finished your test early and got started on your vocab in class on Wednesday. But for those of you who haven't, please finish set number 1. Begins with citizenship and diverse and naturalization. I think it's just 3 words. So take care of that. Get that out of the way. Then on to CNN 10. You're going to click right here and watch the CNN 10. When you're finished, you need to complete the Google form. Click on the link here and make sure you get your name on there so you get credit for completing it. The CNN 10 today fits right into our next unit on citizenship. And in particular, they are talking about this idea of asylum and how people can come to the United States if they are under some type of threat in their home country. But there may be some changes to that rule. So I want you to watch CNN 10, answer the questions here that apply to asylum. Next, you are going to go to iCivics, which we did on Wednesday, and you created an account. And we are going to play this game called Immigration Nation. You will be playing it, you'll be having fun. Hopefully you will be learning as well about who is allowed entry into the United States and the reasons why people are allowed entry into the United States. When you are finished, you need to complete the Immigration Nation Google form. It's very simple. It's only 2 questions. Answer who is allowed to enter the United States and what was your highest score on Immigration Nation. If you'd like to play more than once, go right ahead. All right, so you finished those 2 things. Afterward, you may watch another CNN 10 and reflect on it in classroom. You may complete your current event assignment, which is due on Monday. You may grab an economics crossword puzzle from the substitute and or play another iCivics game. Use your time wisely. Remember to play like a champion today. I will see you guys on Monday.